Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look black and white in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video right here, and there are a few ways to make a video look black and white. You can either go to adjustments and you can select the saturation and turn it down. Or if you'd like to, you can go to the filter section as well, and you can search for black and white. And you can just simply add it on top, or you can add it inside the video by placing it there. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.